हेलो मित्र लोग, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करता हूँ काफ़ी अच्छे होंगे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं डाटा विजुअलाइजेशन के बारे में। क्या होता है डाटा विजुअलाइजेशन, कैसे काम करता है डाटा विजुअलाइजेशन, tools and techniques which are used for data visualization, and also I will talk about some interesting facts about data visualization that will really blow your brain. So guys, watch till end. I hope I will able to clear your some doubts, and I will show some visuals or some graphics that can really make you happy, because guys I will try my best in editing as well as providing the knowledge. Both will make this content valuable, so guys like the video. So let's talk about what is really data visualization. Data visualization is the process of using visual elements like chart, graph or map to represent the data. It translates complex or high volume data into a visual representation. It basically transforms the data into dashboards, charts and graph and many other forms. Do you know guys, 90% of the data transmitted to brain is visuals. Do you know guys, the human brain processes image in just 13 milliseconds. This shows that how responsive our brain is toward images. Let's talk about how really data visualization works. It's basically works on several steps like data collection, data cleaning, data transformation, choosing visualization type, design and creation, interactivity and presentation. So first let's talk about data collection. It is the process of collecting various data from spreadsheet and databases or APIs. The second one is data cleaning, pre-processing data to remove error, outlier and inconsistencies. Third one is data transformation. It is the process of converting raw data into different visuals. Fourth one is choosing visualization type, selecting appropriate chart or graph based on the data or intended message. Fifth one is creation. Basically it is created by tools like Power BI, Tableau or many others tools which are provided by Microsoft as well. And the sixth one is interactivity, adding filters and drill down capabilities to explore data dynamically. And the last one is presentation. It is the process of sharing your information in by various types, by graph or dashboards, chart. Let's move ahead in video. Now I'm going to talk about some tools for data visualization. Basically tools like Power BI and Tableau are most useful in data visualization. Tableau, it is known for user-friendly interface and robust capabilities. It offers diverse chart type and power data connectivity, ideal for advanced users and large enterprises. And the second one is Power BI. Power BI is seamlessly integrated with Microsoft product. It is great for creating interactive dashboards, well suited for small or medium-sized businesses. Both tools empower users to create stunning visuals, but the choice depends upon a specific need and familiarity with the platforms. So let's move ahead in video. Now I'm going to talk about some key advantages of data visualization. First one is faster comprehension of large data. Second is enhanced decision making through insights. Third is improved data driven storytelling. And the last is effective communication with diverse audience. It was just easy terms, so guys no need to explain it in more deeply. So without any further delay, let's talk about some career option in the field of data visualization. A career in data visualization is promising and versatile. Job roles include data analyst, data visualization specialist, business intelligence developer. So last in the video, now I'm going to talk about conclusion. Before conclusion, let's explore some interesting facts about data visualization. Visualization play a pivotal role in making complex data accessible during the COVID pandemic. Second is Florence Nightingale is considered as the earliest data visualization pioneer. And in the last, let's talk about conclusion. Effective data visualization techniques are essential for making the data sensible or meaningful. So guys, how was this video? If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and also please share your view about this video. So guys, मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। मिलते हैं।